Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a video with pictures and music in Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat app, and then from over here we're going to go to this camera icon. You're going to go to this switch to this video option, and then we're going to tap on this import media. Then we're gonna go ahead choose the pictures from over here instead of videos. We're gonna choose as many pictures as we want, and then we're gonna tap on this little check mark icon and tick icon on your bottom right, and then I'm gonna go to this section of preview. I'm gonna go to music. I'm gonna go ahead add the music that I would prefer. You can go to my favorites if you have added one, and go to trending and choose the song. Now you're going to choose a section and add your song, and there we go. We can tap on send to, or we can save the video as well, and that is how you will be able to make a video with pictures likewise. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.